Okay, so now we're on to question 6. This one, so the figure below shows a simplified model of the carbon cycle. Each arrow represents a process which involves a transfer of carbon. So animals giving out atmospheric carbon dioxide. So I always like to do this before I look at the answers on the multiple choice. I like to try and solve it all first. And don't worry, on ESS there are no multiple choice exam questions. These are from an old syllabus, but I wanted to share them with you because sometimes it's nice to have a bit of practice that these questions tend to be more straightforward. What confuses you is all the options that they give you. So, okay, we've got animals giving off carbon dioxide, so that's by respiration. Hello. Okay, and then atmospheric carbon dioxide going into plants, that's by photosynthesis. Plants to fossil fuels and animals to fossil fuels. This is fossilization. I'm British, so I spell fossilization with an S, but you might like to spell it with a Z, and that is just as valid. So what are processes X, Y, and Z? Another thing, UK, we say Z. You might say Z. Hi, I'm just peeping in here so I can scroll this down. What the answers say here. Back to my pencil, move me back up here. Okay, so my pencil is going to be blue, right. Let me clear off those annotations. Processes X, Y, and Z. Now I can't see. There we go. Okay, so X, oh, we've got this one as well. I forgot about this. So this is fossilization. Fossil fuels release carbon dioxide through burning or combustion. So X is combustion, which is this one or this one. And Y we said was respiration. So that is this one. And Z we said was photosynthesis. Now you might look at this. The only difference is respiration or assimilation. What is assimilation? So assimilation is taking in food and making it part of your body. There's an old Star Trek theme with these Borg that were like ants or honeybees or wasps, and they said, resistance is futile, you will be assimilated. And what they meant by that was that the people would become part of the hive, be part of this collective. And so to be assimilated is to be brought in, like the food would no longer be its own identity, it would be part of that organism's body then. So that's what it means to assimilate. So if an animal is assimilating food, it isn't releasing carbon dioxide in the process. So that would not be the correct answer as far as I can tell, because I'm not looking at the answers first, but the answer would be respiration.